This series of videos provides an overview of the different mount options and the preliminary installation steps. This video overviews the in-ceiling mount option. A generic camera is depicted to show the installation steps. Installation may differ from camera to camera. We recommend reviewing the specific installation guide for the camera being installed. The in-ceiling mount is a more discreet option for installing the camera to a ceiling or wall. The in-ceiling mount is an ideal solution for indoor spaces that require a more discreet installation. It may be painted to blend into the mounting surface. For cameras that have the in-ceiling mount option, ensure the correct camera package is ordered. The package usually includes the camera, the in-ceiling mounting adapter, an in-ceiling mount template sticker, and a low-profile bezel. Note that the surface mount adapter is provided with the camera in most packages. This can be disregarded. Depending on the camera, the package may also include a solid wall anchor kit, a surface mounting template sticker, a surface mount adapter, a surface mount bezel, a power terminal block, a conduit shroud for side entry conduit cabling, or a mounting plate adapter for electrical box installations. These items can be discarded for the in-ceiling mount. Ensure you have a Phillips screwdriver, a small slotted screwdriver, a drill with the appropriate drill bits, a wire cutter, and silicone sealant. These tools are not included in the package. For more information on this topic, consult the appropriate installation guide or training video. Let's overview the H6 Mini Dome in-ceiling mounting adapter. Located here is the cable entry hole, where the required cables go through for camera operation. Highlighted here are the camera attachment slots. The camera housing clips are inserted here to attach the camera body to the adapter. Shown here are the bezel clip attachments. These clips hold the bezel in place. Next, these are the mounting clamps. These are metal springs with plastic tabs that extend outward to hold the adapter in place. In the next segment, let's overview the H6A Fisheye in-ceiling mounting adapter. Similar to the H6 Mini Dome adapter, this is used to mount the camera to a ceiling. For this camera, an in-ceiling cover is used instead of a bezel. This cover can be painted to blend into the mounting surface, allowing for a more discreet installation. Highlighted here is the cover lock, which secures the cover to the mount. Located here is the mount lock, which helps to secure the cover in place. Shown here is the microphone, which is a built-in audio receiver. The camera lens is located here. The next segment will overview the steps to install an in-ceiling mount adapter. We will use the H6 Mini Dome as an example. First, use the in-ceiling mounting template to cut an entry hole for the camera into the ceiling. Next, insert the in-ceiling mounting adapter into the entry hole. Then, pull off the clamp retainer holding the clamps in place. Pull the required cable through the adapter. Push the orange clamp handles up as shown here. Ensure that the metal arms extend outside the mounting adapter. Use your thumb on the outside edge of the mounting adapter and your forefinger on one of the clamp handles. Pinch the clamp down until the clamp is secured, and repeat on the other side. Make sure both clamps are level and horizontal. That completes the steps to installing an in-ceiling mount adapter to the mounting surface. Refer to the appropriate training video or installation guide to complete the installation of the camera. More mount options are overviewed in this series of videos.